Cracking the Capital One code. Where in the world can you use it? Ever dreamed of using your credit card on a European shopping spree? Maybe you're planning a business trip to North America and want a reliable banking option. But with so many banks out there, navigating their international reach can be a real headache. So, let's talk Capital One. It's a financial giant in the United States, boasting a range of credit cards, checking accounts, and other financial services. But the burning question, if you're venturing outside the U.S., is Capital One your trusty sidekick, or will it leave you hanging? The plot twist, not a global giant, yet. Here's the thing, Capital One isn't quite a world traveler, yet. As of today, their core services are primarily offered in 3 countries. The United States, this is Capital One's home turf. They offer their full range of credit cards, checking accounts, savings accounts, and more across all 50 states. Canada, our neighbors to the north, can also enjoy Capital One credit cards. While the selection might be slightly different from the U.S., Canadians can leverage Capital One's reputation for innovation and rewards programs. The United Kingdom, calling all Brits. You can join the Capital One Club as well, with access to their credit card offerings. So, what about everywhere else? If you're outside this trio of nations, Capital One services become a bit limited. You likely won't be able to open a new account or apply for a credit card directly. But wait, there's more. Now, here's a twist. Capital One has partnered with other financial institutions around the world. This means that even if you can't directly access Capital One services, your existing Capital One card might still be usable in certain situations. Here's the catch, it depends on the specific partnership and the merchant you're trying to use your card with. Your best bet? Contact Capital One directly before your trip to see if your card is accepted in your destination country. Capital One Beyond Borders, a glimpse into the future. The financial services industry is constantly evolving, and Capital One is known for its forward-thinking approach. While they aren't a global player just yet, there are hints that they might be expanding their reach in the future. For instance, Capital One Shopping, their browser extension with coupon codes and price comparisons, has recently seen increased functionality in Canada and Australia. This could be a stepping stone towards offering a wider range of services in these regions. Final thoughts, planning your financial adventure. While Capital One isn't a one-stop shop for international banking right now, it's a strong option in the US, Canada, and the UK. Remember, for destinations outside these areas, it's always wise to check with Capital One directly and explore alternative banking options in your travel destination. The world is full of financial adventures, and with a little planning, you can make sure your Capital One card, or another reliable option, is by your side for the ride. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.